you hear that nice deep tone. This is the higher spec end of the classical nylon string guitars, the Admira. Well, I do admire it actually. So it's a lovely guitar, a little bit more expensive, but there's a reason, you know, you want that little extra bit of quality, you know, you maybe been playing a bit and you want to just spend a few extra quid. But this is the job, you know, it's just a lovely, hear that? Quality. Again, as with all guitars nowadays, the quality is just amazing. And the back of it, look at the wood on that, that's just lovely wood, fashioned. So the Admira, yeah, a great guitar. I mean, I'd highly recommend it. Gorgeous.